Good evening, everyone. You are welcome to Laris Academy. And if the first time you are coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends and family. And so, in this particular video, I'll be explaining how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. So the whole process and the basic process to get started, and also is also an invitation for you to join the Laris Academy affiliate program. So before I even start anything, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is when you are promoting someone's product and you are getting paid for it. Just like when you are like for example, now I have a product. Now I'm selling a product of 50,000 naira, or let me say 100,000 naira. Let me say 100,000 naira. So and that a product now, you can promote your product in different ways. So you can promote your product in different ways. You can promote it through, if you are a content creator, you can promote it through your social media. You can promote it if you have a friend, you have friends and family that are active to earn online. So those products, if they are interested, you can promote to them. You can also run advertisement to promote it. So there are different ways you can run adverts. So all those things I'll be explaining in this video, how we are going to get started with them, and which one will work best for you. So let me say, for example, now I'm selling that product for, let me say, 100,000 naira. So now what will be your profit there? So what will be your profit is there is that, for example, when I was saying that, how you, your commission there will be, and I give commission of maybe like 50%. So your own commission there will be 50%. Let me say, for example, now, yes, that the commission of the 50% of 100,000, that's 50,000. So your commission there will be 50,000. So whenever your friend buy that product of 100,000, you automatically receive 50. Then also the community also receive 50%. So that's how affiliate marketing works. So it depends on the percent on the commission they are giving. So it's just like whenever someone buy the product, and after buying the product, you receive your own commission, and the minimum balance is going back to the owner. So that's just the basic process work, but it's also more than that. It's more than that. So just have to sit down and watch this video so you can understand everything. So now the other part, now I said the invitation to Laris Academy. Yes, Laris Academy affiliate program. Laris Academy is actually running a program right now to they are looking for affiliate marketers to run um to market their products, their courses. So if you are interested in joining the affiliate marketers for Laris Academy, so you can go to the comment section of this video and join the group right now. So there you'll be giving your affiliate link to start selling the product, and also you will explain they'll explain to you where you are going to promote the product. Like for example, if you want to promote it, if you are a content creator, they will teach you how to promote the product through content creating. And if you can also run adverts to promote the product, and also you can also reach out to your friend to promote the product, and the manner of approach, how you are going to approach them, what you are going to see, every other thing, and what the product is about, what you are going to be promoting. And also the commission we earn it per product. The product will actually be 50-50. Yes, that will be the commission, 50-50. Like if, for example, now if the product is 10,000 naira, you will be receiving 5,000 naira. The community also will be receiving 5,000 naira. So who can join this program? If you are a content creator, you can join this particular program. If you are a student, a social media user, a digital marketer, entrepreneur, anyone else, any audience can join this program. So you can also share this video to your friends and family that need the video. I want to start affiliate marketing. So this is just a basic way for you to start, because you will receive the training, everything for free. It's not that you are paying, you are not paying any dime. Also you also receive your affiliate link to get started. So if you are ready to start affiliate marketing, just comment affiliate, or and go to the comment section. You see the group to the link to join the group. So just join the group and join the wait list. So when you join so when it's time for your training, so we'll get you notified, then we can start the training, then you get started. So that's just it. And the platform we're using to market this product is Seller. So it's Seller. So everything will be explained in a group. So if you are interested, just go to the comment section and join the group there, so to get started. So that's just it. Bye for now. See you in the next video.